Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. Today we are doing an unwrapping. This little cutie popped up on the ILD site. Dooney Bourke seems to be kind of sprinkling these in here and there. These are from this is from the Western collection. And let me unwrap it so we can look at it together, y'all. Let's see. I'm going to try to take a shortcut away from the bottom part that's taped. So since these are kind of randomly coming back up, I'm guessing that they were possibly returns. Could be not. I don't know. Because they're once it's purchased, that's it. I haven't seen it remain on the site. Because there's been some other Western bags that they've added, and as soon as it's purchased, that's it. So those are shared in separate videos, but this is the most recent Western piece added. And let's look at the tag. So it says it's a black Hobo crossbody, 1 of 1, and ship or date is May 3rd, 2024. So let's look at it, y'all. As I mentioned in my other Western videos, this I pretty much slept on the Western collection when I noticed it a couple years ago. I believe it's been that long. So I'm glad that they're actually putting some back out, and I'm able to add them to my collection. So just to take a look at the exterior, this is the back. At the gold stitching that it has. This beautiful red zipper. And I love this detail around here. I don't know what type of leather this is. It doesn't feel like it's Florentine. It feels like it, but it doesn't look like that it's as easily scratched or susceptible to scratches like the Florentine. I love this interior, the blue, royal blue bandana interior. It does have the Dooney Bourke Western. What does that say? Dooney Bourke, Connecticut, 1975. Handcrafted. Quality bags. American original. And it does have feet. Kind of surprised since it's a crossbody, but I'm good with that. And this is the front. So it does have the 2 horseshoes that makes up the W for Western. And within it, it does have gold. So, very, very well crafted. The crossbody strap. It looks like, yes, it does have 2 pieces to it. So, it can be adjusted to just be a shoulder bag. The zipper pull is a tassel, as you see. And then the red zipper here. And I don't know if it's red or wine. It's a darker red. So let's look inside. So this one I believe would be referred to as a north-south hobo, since it is tall and deep. And since this is leather, it does come with a dust bag. There's the key keeper. I love this interior, y'all. This blue bandana interior. Beautiful. Dooney Bourke leather patch there. Zipper. Doesn't go fully across the back. It's kind of centered. And registration card inside. Slip pocket. Dooney Bourke dust bag here. And slip pocket on the front. That goes almost all the way to the bottom. It stops not even a quarter before you get to the bottom. But this, with this being black and gold, I would still say it's pretty easy to accessorize. Not sure. And the red zipper makes it easy too. So I can easily put, I would say, I could easily put red accessories with it, gold accessories. I don't know if that could easily go. Yeah, that makes the gold pop. Y'all are probably going to see this in a couple videos because I have it sitting right here next to me. So that could easily go. That's going to bring out the gold. And let's see how it fits inside too. And I have my tape measure, so I may do some quick measurements of this bag because online on the model it looked really big. So depth wise, this is a perfect example. The large zip around wristlet is touching the bottom of the purse, and it stops right at the top, so I can still zip it up with no problem and still have some room. And see if it'll turn. It turns sideways, but it doesn't go all the way to the bottom because it goes up in a, I guess like a reverse dome. It goes up. So this here is more narrow towards the bottom and it's wider at the top. So you cannot put a large zip around in here that way. It does have to match the silhouette and turn it north-south so that it can fit that way. And let me see. I'm gonna just see if, oh, I still have my cosmetic case, so I can see if that fits in here with it. Okay, that fits in there with it. Cosmetic case and a large zip around. Let's see how that closes. Did I unzip it too far? There we go. Okay, so that zips. Still have nothing over here, so there's still plenty of room in it. I don't have anything else to add in here. I can put another wristlet in here. So I'll put another zip around. This is a Margot New York zip around. It's the same size as the Dooney Bourke. This again is just giving you an idea of what fits in this Hobo. So it's 2 large zip arounds and a stuffed cosmetic case bag. That's the Plumes cosmetic case in red. Let's see. Zipped on up, y'all. So, and it's still room here. So since this is north-south, it would fit better if you have taller items in your purse, I guess. And then you still have room back here to put keys if you like. Or, excuse me, or your phone, depending on what size your phone is. So not bad. A quick measurement of it while I have it stuffed and standing up. Let's see. Because since, again, when I ordered it, it disappeared. And I don't know if I took a screenshot of the dimensions, because I can't go back on there and get them. So, from the bottom to the top, and let me be sure I got the whole thing in here. Looks like it's about 10 inches tall. Width across the bottom is about 7.5 or 8 inches. I would say 7.5. And then across the top, since it is wider at the top, that is about, I would say 11 across the top. So 10 inches tall, 11 inches wide at the top, and 7.5 inches at the bottom. And then the width here from the side, let's see, it's about 4.5 max. So not bad. And I like the versatility of it being a crossbody and an actual shoulder bag. So the straps are not detachable, so I cannot take the straps off, but I can reduce the length of the strap to have either a crossbody or a shoulder hobo. So that's it, y'all. I showed you a couple accessories that I can pair with this, and a black crossbody bag can go with a lot, even though it has the Western. It's from the Western collection. That would definitely be bad with some bad black jeans or any color bright jeans and a black sweater or top. Yes, ma'am, with some good old cute boots. I think I can throw something together with it. But y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and take this strap off, the wrapping off of the strap, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, commenting, sharing, subscribing, liking. I really do appreciate it. And I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. As always, you all have a wonderful day. just realized it has 2 hang tags. Interesting. So one has the price, which means that it may have been in store once upon a time. I did not notice that before. Let's do a comparison and see. The lot numbers are different. The barcode numbers are the same, but the lot numbers are different and the price is on one and not the other. So this may have very well been in the store once upon a time. Interesting. So maybe instead of a return, it could have been a store bag that did not sell in the store.